Okay, so here we have a grid, and let's move this blue box down, and we're at the C major scale, and I'll play it. And that is the construction for a C major scale, and you can see that the below the C, there's that orange bar which signifies that semitone difference, and you see the F below it, and the purple bar signifies the semitone difference between E and F. So if you were to go to, say, G flat, that same construction would take place. And here are the numbers for the scale: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the seventh row is always a semitone below the eighth row for every major scale. And the fourth is always a semitone above the major third in every major scale. So you can ponder that chart for a while. And now we have another concept. What we're going to do is we're going to go back to the C major scale. I'll play it one more time. And then we're going to go all the way up to the 6th degree, starting on A. And listen to this. And that is a natural minor scale. And music, being logical, means that on the 6th degree of every major scale lives the natural minor scale. So it starts on A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. So it's a beautiful natural minor scale starting on the 6th degree. If you go to the F major scale, there it is. I'll play F. And now I'm going to move it all up to the 6th degree. And now I'm going to play a D natural minor scale.